Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is a wonderful day. We are going to be having a birthday celebration. So I am going to be preparing a wonderful recipe. If this is your first time on my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to Kemet TV. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. So today I have wonderful ingredients to prepare my fried rice. I have a bell pepper, which is known as green pepper. I have here chopped carrots. I have here green beans. I have here green pea. Yeah, you're going to ignore the noise because I have baby Roland in the house. He's so happy that birthday is going to be happening. So I have here chicken, curry chicken, which I am going to be seasoning. I am going to be doing pepper meat and also fry the chicken. I have here my already parboiled rice. So now I'll be mixing my ingredients to prepare my fried rice. Enjoy watching this wonderful video. We have curry powder and also the curry spices. The fried rice spice. Yeah, that's the birthday lady. So we're gonna be doing some mixing in the pots. So here you can see the chicken steaming. So what I'll be doing now is to fry my chicken for my fried rice and everything will be ready. So now I'll be dropping the chicken down and put my pots for my fried rice. For the fried rice, I've just put in groundnut oil inside the pots and I'll allow this oil to get very hot. Then I'll be pouring in my onions and then fry the ingredients also. I have here chopped onions. So here also I'll have to add my green pea inside the pot and stir the pot very well. So you can see the green pea on its own. It has started changing its color. So I will also add the fried rice spice inside the pot. This is my fried rice spice. I stir the pot. So you can see that the rice on its own now, the fried rice, has started giving you the color of the fried rice, which is normally light green. So now I'll be adding little quantity of water, which will be my broth stock from the chicken. If this is your first time of watching my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like and also share this wonderful video with your friends and families. This is Kemet TV, a TV that teaches you how to cook wonderful recipes. So here also I'll be adding my green peas and also chopped carrots into the pot and also green pepper. So this is how to mix your fried rice sauce before putting your rice inside the pot. The water boiling, I'll add fresh pepper to taste. And now I'll be pouring in my rice inside the pot. Here I have my curry powder also, which I'll be adding. you can see the pot boiling. Now I'll be pouring in my rice inside the pot. The fried rice is almost ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this wonderful recipe. This is how to prepare your fried rice. So you can see, this is how to prepare your fried rice. Having mixed all the ingredients, I will then cover the pot and allow this to steam very well, and the rice will soon be ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe and how to prepare your fried rice. So guys, here is the fried rice. You can see how lovely this recipe looks. This is how to prepare your fried rice. So for events, don't fail to contact me and I'll be there to deliver good services at your doorsteps. This is Ukeme TV. If this is your first time of watching my channel, please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.